YouTube.
Was probably doing that, then it actually worked. Ось таку кричав було.
No, I didn't read the code.